Giving of free coins have turned all these young boys to millionaires now. You can believe me that almost all young boys that claim free coins nowadays are now millionaires, not thousand. And we are lacking back. And you know the funniest thing? I know I can tap this thing within 3 days that we can get million coins instantly. Within 3 days, we can get millions of coins on our account. And I've not been showing you guys all this while. All right, guys, it's not too late. Okay, if you are watching this video right now, whether you are my subscriber or you are just coming across this video, it is a right time for you to become a millionaire by claiming free coins from all these hamster and other coins that you don't have idea of. I'm going to be bringing all the coins that everybody have been typing, and the one that is working and the one that is not working. There are not all of them, and I'm going to be sharing the one that is working presently with you guys henceforth. Now, if you have been tapping on this Hamster Kombat before, or you never start to, this is the right channel for you, because it's everything now is fresh. I'm going to be guiding you step by step on how you can start from 0 to 3 million to 5 million within 5 days. I give you 5 days. If you follow me in with this strategy I'm going to be sharing with you, and you don't generate from 0 to 5 million for coins, it means you can unsubscribe from this channel. It's a promise. As far as you follow everything I'm going to be guiding, because I have much knowledge about this combat and how you can do your tapping that you earn not less than millions instantly. And the good thing is, you are not going to be the one to tap. You are not going to tap anything. I'm going to show you a trick that will skyrocket your coins instantly to millions. Okay, so I'm going to be guiding you. As you can see, I'm having just 1,818 coins presently. This is the new account, and which I'm going to be using to show it to you. So if you never start to, or you have started already, this one is a beginner's process. So first and foremost, as a beginner, you're going to find a link of this website in the description of this video, and in a comment section I'm going to drop a link for you. All you have to do is to click on the link. Okay, click on the link, you give it a time, and once you give it a time, it's going to open this way, and you can see it is opening. All right, it has opened, and it said it give you 3,000. You just click on thank you Bybit, and you can see it, you have gotten this instantly already. Now that you have logged in as a newcomer, as you click on that, they are going to give you 5,000 coins. Okay, the reason why the 5,000 coins have left, I use it for another things. Okay, now once they have given you these 5,000 coins, now most of people, they'll just keep tapping just like this. Tapping will not increase your earning instantly. What will increase your earning is mining. Okay, and mining, once you click, you put your mining, as you even log out from this website, your coins will keep mining, just like this one is mining itself. You can see it mining itself. Anytime I come, it's still mining. Now, and mining can increase depend on your profit per hour. Your mining can increase depend on your profit per hour. You can see this profit per hour. Now, how will you get as a new novice or a newcomer? If you come, you're going to discover that your profit per hour is 000. Now you're going to click on mining at the down button. Okay, and once you click on mining, you have to purchase all these ones here. You can see all these ones at the down button here. You can purchase it, and as you keep purchasing, your mining will keep increasing. Like I've purchased this one once, I've purchased this one once, I've purchased this one once. Now before you even keep processing, the first and foremost is for you to locate where earning is and get free things from earning first. This is earning at the down button. So you are going to tap on earning, and once you tap on earning, once your daily, you are going to be getting 6,649 coins from here every single day. All you have to do is just come, tap on it, and you're going to click on tap. You can see it say I should come tomorrow because I've tapped today once. Now you're going to click on join their Telegram again. They're going to give you 5,000. You're going to click on join their X. If you have X on your phone, you join the X and you come back and claim it. On clicking on this one, you're going to select the crypto you want to use to receive your money anytime they are launched. You're going to see list of them like Binance and Bybit, all of them. So you're going to select Bybit, and once you select Bybit and you come back, they're going to also give you another 5,000 naira. If you invite a friend, you're going to be getting 25,000 coins. All right, so now after you have got all these ones, you come back to your dashboard, you're going to be left with around 15 to 20,000 coins. And once you have that, all you have to do is to convert them to mining. How do you convert them? Like now we're having 1,900, and look at our profit per hour is 1.44k, right? So now what we have to do is to purchase any of these points at the down button here. You can see all these ones here. You can purchase anyone. After you have done purchasing one, you can locate the second one. Okay, now for instance, let me take of this X. It will give us, okay, say go ahead. So they are going to reduce our value. You see it, then you can see it have reduced. And if you check our view per hour now, it have changed from 144 to 150. So all you are going to use your coins to get mining for yourself. You can see it. I'm using all I have for mining. You can see it. I'll purchase this one at last, and if you come down, you can see that all our value have gone, and our mining power have increased. You can see it, right? So our mining power have increased. All you have to do, your focus should not be on your coins for now. As a novice or newcomer, your focus should be your profit per hour, and which you can get through this. After you are finished with market, you have PR team, you have legal, and you have special. So just keep focusing on all this, and as you keep focusing, your mining will keep increasing. You don't have time to be tapping all the time. Okay, though before you can do all this thing, you need some coins before you can purchase all those ones. Okay, so in that aspect, you can tap for as little as you can as a new novice or as a newcomer. So you try to unlock all this. Okay, in our next video, I'm going to be guiding you guys how you can unlock all these ones here, and all this one to also increase your mining speedily. So guys, if you are seeing this video for the first time, it's an open door for you. I guess it's an open door. Do not miss this opportunity. First and foremost, you have to do is to start on these free coins that everybody are mining presently. Now this one will soon open, and once it's open, many people that have mining already, they are going to be in it. And I give you 3 days, just 3 days. You follow me on channel, you subscribe to the channel, and follow everything I'm going to be doing. Your own too, you're going to reach 1 million, just like you are seeing other person on. Now today's one, I just show you how you can just keep mining. Next one, I'm going to show you how you can get unlimited referral without you inviting anybody. You are not going to invite your friend. You are not going to send your link to anyone you know at all. You are going to get unlimited followers, which is going to skyrocket your coins instantly. And aside that, I'm going to show you another trick that you can use to increase your mining again. So if you find this video interesting and you'd like to be getting update about Hamster and other coins which you are going to be earning thousands or millions from, then the first thing is to subscribe to this channel, turn on the bell notifications, so that anytime I drop any video related to coins, you're going to be the first to notify and first to take actions. This is what I'm having presently. You're going to be surprised that in next tomorrow, you're going to have millions here. It's a must. You're going to see millions here. And you too, if you follow the same process, you are still going to have millions. So the first and foremost you have to do now is to focus on converting all your coins to able to get profit per hour. So see you next time in our next video. Peace out.